Ladies and gentlemen, by the way, my name is Israel Matseke Zulu, aka GP Orange, the Ghetto Professor. Welcome to the podcast. Podcast for the people, by the people. Allow me to introduce my guest today, Mr. One and the only Obed Baloyi. Fuka baba.
Exactly.
Shabunja no tell.
I'm George.
Yazi ngiyajabula ukuhlala nawe so.
Yeah.
Sihlangana isiphithiphithi man.
Mwana yale.
Yeah. Wathuthumile.
Yeah.
No, mfana semzini le podcast yamajita, everyone is welcome.
Yeah.
As push up celebrate. As push so profile, let people know you. Bantu basibona kulapha kumabona kude phansi phezulu. Asinasikhathi sokuthi sikhulume ukuthi siphuma phi siqale kuphi yabo into ongafuna ukuyiringa ungayiringi yeah uringa le oyifunayo le as interrogation azanga la kuzo expose sifuna ama bad side wakhe living no singabantu sonke siyafana it's about art Obed uqale nini ukungena ku industry?
I think uyenza igauge.
Yeah.
Ngiseskele.
Oh, from a scale?
Yeah, 87.
87.
Igauge, ne?
Yeah.
And then after completing matric, 2002.
Yeah.
Yeah, ngaqala ke ngenza igauge full time. Lesikhathi ngiseskele.
Yeah.
But from 2002 ngenza igauge full time.
Yeah.
Ngidlala igele and then professionally.
Yeah.
It was 1996 when ngithola first
break.
P.
Yeah.
1996 ngidlala Windybrew Theatre. Yeah, that was 96 stage theatre. Ngidlala la. Yeah. So I think from 19 because even about 2000 and not 2002 sorry man.
Yeah.
1992.
Now,
2002, but 2002
Hey.
No, 92. Yeah, 92 was saying tuna igauge full time, 92, 93, 94, 95, and then 96.
Yeah.
Ila singaqala ngayodlala Windybrew, show iqala Windybrew, ngiqala ke 96, ngiqala ke TV kancane.
Yeah.
Professionally.
Okay, bukeleza va.
Igelezo ngicale Vanity Kloof.
Okay.
Primary Khomanani.
Yeah.
Ngisuka Khomanani yaTiyani.
Yeah.
Ngasuka ngayiMadibane High School.
Madibane.
Yeah, from Madibane that time 96 uprising.
Yeah.
Singasuka 87. Ngithi 1987.
Yeah.
Ngasuka 87 ke ngayogeleza ngala iGiyani.
Oh.
Boarding school.
Oh, originally you from Giyani, family we Giyani.
Family uledi netime bazalwele Alex.
Oh.
Basuke Alex.
Yeah.
Bayiswa eTikloof.
Yeah. iTikloof izalwa iAlexander.
Yeah, so mina was born eTikloof. So ngasuke eTikloof ngaye boarding school lesasikhathi sama Soweto uprising 86 87.
Yeah.
Isikhathi kungagelezwa.
Yeah.
Ngasuka mina ngaye boarding school.
Oh.
Fika lapha boarding school ila ngicale khona ukuyenza igauge.
Yeah. So isketch iplay yaqala wayenza usayikhumbula?
Ngisayikhumbula. What was woman is your cause.
Oh.
Yeah, it was 87.
Beyibhalo bani?
Le show ngathi beloku idlalwa esigela actually. Angithi bekunalento zama freshers born now.
Oh yeah.
But no ama matric babenzela isigela mazovala.
Yeah.
Bekune show farewell. So ngathi le show behlala lokhu ikhona ama student
balokuyenza. Kuyi-team yasesigela nje annual nje yashayiwa nje.
So mina ngafika ngayigova 87 ngadlala ipartnyana bengihaci la.
Oh uyihaci.
It was banyana encane.
Yeah.
Yeah, but it was the beginning of things.
Yeah.
From there, ukuthi manje lobungoma sibungenile yabo.
So i-role yakho yokuqala television or film uqale ngasiphi isikhathi?
Television it was Mama's Love.
Mama's Love. Yeah. I-comedy.
Le Gibson. Not a drama.
I-drama.
Yeah, drama.
Okay.
Nakhona intonyana encane ngavela. I was so excited.
Yeah.
Nami ngidlulile phansi kwaBrakit bengilungizwa abantu bathi Brakit. So that was my first TV drama.
So amanye ama-interest wakho besides acting before nje i-acting ikuthola ikuthatha bozibona bowenzani ezinye izinto amanye ama-activities nje aside of acting?
Mina bengisipayisana.
Oh.
Yeah, bengisipayisana thina endlaleni.
Ngiyapayisa.
Sikhule silokupayisa amaveji.
Okay.
Ngiyapayisile amaveji ngena house to house. Namajambulisile ukuthatha riding nibeka la sifike lapha eCliptown nabomama mina grand ngikhule ngisipayisana ama-alasi
street vendor
ama-alamina bengiwavayisa namathambo stopa lapha eJozi yabo ngikhule ngiloko ngihereza ngimhereza hayi.
So manje uhlala kuphi manje?
Manje ngihlala eVlakfontein.
Vlakfontein ingakuphi Vlakfontein?
Ngasezakaria Park. Yabona mawudlula Funville. Eldosi, Funville, Golden Highway.
Golden Highway.
Ngihlala la from 2002.
From 2002. Yeah. Unencusi?
Yeah, I'm a family man.
You're a family man.
Incusi, nefro.
Yeah. Nencusi ezingaki?
Nencusi ezingaki. 3 boys, 2 cats.
Oh. Hey, I know. Strong.
Yeah, ngubaba.
We time.
Aboni ngingalali ngigijima. Esusho ukuthi sihlangana silokusini.
Yeah, sihlangana kundlovu. Usheshiwe isikhathi asiwe.
Yeah, anytime.
So profiling wise social ama production anga.
Yo.
Apha
yazi mangiqala ngicala bekunokuyibheka riding ngibona i1 ethi Mama's Love ithi badira moho tikhululeka enozibhaya zibhaya
eyiphi le odume kuyo kakhulu esale yakudumisa kakhulu
iGardumeli
utsutsuma Gardumeli nami leyo ngathi ngiyayikhumbula
kwaqhamuka noRingo ku-Deep City waqhamuka noMajazi Khansela music video kamajazi yabona lezo zi3 mara utsutsuma noGamchangane
ugijima no Hamilton Dlamini
ayizinja
nali yakhiri yakho leya bathu bande yasisi orlile ne esa ukhabathwe
wena ukusika nje
natural cause
mfethu
nazi ngathi ngiyibonile ku social media
talent
leyamntwana leyana
inhliziyo maybe but abantu abaningi they were touched but well what more can you see
life
mayenze kuyenzeka.
So what's your motto? How do you keep yourself going?
I'm someone who's a strong believer in God.
Okay.
Ngiyathandaza
you believe in
God yakhulu ngumfana wekhakhi ngumfana
nakho ushaya umkhulu
mina ngibhiliva kakhulu kuNkulunkulu nabaphansi, so these are the things which even in bad times when I go down and pray to God and my ancestors ngiba namandla understand ukuthi uNkulunkulu uyenzile usazoyenza
So ufila kanjani nge-situation yokuhamba ama-audition since you've started and even now ubo self-taping makumele uthole isipani bakufuna kuma-audition uyofona kunama-upcoming leyo procedure nje.
Yabona i-audition inzima ispec, but okay sharp we have to go for the auditions. But if ngithola asithi nge-audition ngithola nanguma-orange I mean
nangu Hamilton Dlamini same part
but if ngiyothola ku-Tom, Dick and Harry nalabo abadlula ngestrata abafola iline mfethu leyo esanibona ngathi mfethu it's big cleaning
it's slavery system
yathuka leyo because not ukuthi ngithini but I think asihambe ngaleyo ndlela ukuthi la kuzofika la bazidlulelayo lesikhathi maybe uma Orange abo Hamilton abo Peter Mashego yabona simile lapho okay lapho
it's not agency yini agency yakho
i-Fitchem
dalo lokuphusha na
from ngithi Fitchem ngisuke uBelinda ngisuke naye from kuMonini
from Kumonini uBelinda from Monini
it's been years
it's been years
ngisaseyintwana nyaka yes yabona lo phela senja
kuyakhula kusemhlabeni yiwa phambili so how much must we do to be recognized as professionals and not attend auditions?
Well, there are some producers, those who will give you that, that honor. That honor ukuthi mfowethu siyakuhlonipha. And now amajob bakhona well nginokwathola nami now and those kind of jobs are very much as corner, but it's challenging because that person trusts you. Understand? Uyakuthemba.
Awufuni ukumdisappoint.
Leyo is challenging. What bakhona labo serious like abanye ubona ukuthi it's just calling me but because everything sekayenzile. So bakhona laba abasirecognizeayo abayihloniphayo. Not ukuthi siyasaba ukamba ama-audition. But kumele abe look straight, understand? Abe nesithunzi. So sizohamba but bakhona labo bakunika ku that thing bakwazi mfethu dana ile role one of them ingamla yami Smidlozi understand ukuthi that mfethu so and nakhona is challenging
phela kumatsonga wonke nje in the industry uwe i-representative ungazi wena ngazi uRibelani ngazi nale tsotsi le bengihlala nayo lapha kuZamazama i-top 3
khona bufumane khona it was not easy when it started but nami kuyajabulisa ukuthi indlela leyo ungayisungula ubona seyicareer iwume sathi fruits tinwana and it's good so that we could recognize ukuthi lento eso yaqala kuphi that's our history
angithi historically is dominated by Zulus and Xhosas and Pedis. Being Tsonga, mawukhula azange ube ne-fear yokuthi bazokuvalela ngaphandle because you shangani. Azange ufike kuyinto efana naleyo and then how did you break it wena ube ne-steam sokuthi no nami ngizofana nabo Selomake kaNcube ngizofana nabo ngizongena nami line-upini yabo Mishak Mavusa boSikhaleni nawe ube recognized like other race.
Yabona ma-orange sakhula ukuba umshangani it was esanibe kwinsimbi yabo bamthangani
foreigner
mfethu I remember mina ke la ngakulela khona azone 4
Deep Kloof
Ibasuthu Batswana that's why I'm language total and then I was supposed to go to school azone 2 and mele nunda azone 1 zone 1 ibazulu sometimes nikhumbula kunenkarhi un'wana ningatsutsumisiwa ni biwa hi maribye shangani and it was not easy but mina nibuye nisamukela and the other thing leyi nga ni pfuna mina ni kule ni ri na humor my humor understand so ni nga chavi ku vula Changani even my color ayibonisa ukuthi nali Changani and then to be proud of who I am swi ni pfunile because ni endla show ya mina ya Gam Changani that show ni yendle it was 90% ya Changani and then it went through the stages tabo Market Theatre Laboratory Market Theatre Zwagala Festival and eventually you win about the best of Zwagala yitlanga ka mainstream theatre and that was the key to open my doors ka this industry.
And the question me was ngamabomi because in Alexandra is dominated by Shangans based from history but I felt ukuthi amashangana amaningi they were afraid to be ukuthi bathi bavume ukuthi nasingamashangana. Hence abanye bakhuliswa ngesizulu kakhulu. Banikwa namagama wesizulu.
Kunjalo.
Ngibuse ngamabomu the question ukuthi how did you break through to become proud of who you are about your race? You understand? I know that thing. I know it happens to a lot of us.
And some mashangana song. I mean, abe chokot mina cale ngidina ngisakhula. And nami edladleni ke abakubitana ku relay ka kokwana. So I show na strategy la strategy ina. I machangani. So nawane kokwana plus abasuka na bona la Alexander. So group le abangasuka na yona. I bativa ku ramuli ku machangani kokwana ri tlogalena ko Alexander. So it was not that difficult, but it was challenging. And probably changan akungar fishing. But minan bin ba nashbin I don't know. But I was proud of changan Jamina. And then nalokunigena and kumla lokunigena industry. Nendla show before Gam Changana yendla Jack Roll. Na Daniel T. So Daniel T wanted someone who could speak pure Zulu. So lokun rieza that part. Anish balabula shi Zulu, but Daniel T na chokora. Leshi shi Zulu Changana. Ibakunema. Iman always Changana. And not about mina pela before near theater. And said someone alang tashuwa theater. Time angila utamuta was Changani area manbua. And then nish balabula Changan patilia yenendela spook. Yani pa yona linga bia ya windi brute theater yona. From there namna sensula kupitsala tisho tamina is Changana.
But I believe that also build you. I wonder if you are subjected or you are underestimated in the society. I believe it also gives you power to do more so that you prove a point to which I'm one of the best.
Because and again, so it was a struggle because it was that thing those that group areas act of 1930. Separate so it happens that Mela images someone will say this must come to an end. We are all
human.
You are all human. We need and then I see that thing again in Funa, you pull that thing and then you pull another one thing.
What does success means to you?
Success.
What will be your destination?
I mean, if at all, like, success, like, come again?
What does success means to you? What is success to you? If you can say, now I'm successful.
Is to live freely, happily, and then respect munungwan na wena respect you. Loving, caring, and fearing and respecting God.
That's success.
That's success.
I'm going to ask you success. I'm a Ferrari. Tell me, have you been to overseas?
I remember when we grew up, there was a trip I was supposed to go to France, and so my late grandmother, I'm not busy, so busy, and they be take tour, Rary Smith, KZN, and I was not happy. So your friends, what if things I didn't go and send some money and I think I did 2 trips.
Why?
Well, that time those things they come. It was a time when I was starting to be on showbiz. And I remember there was some group overseas. And then look, many one at the problems, understand? So, I have that fear. And then knowing the background, it's so bad whereby if ever things could happen bad, there was no way they can imali ya titamati na tianyanisi va kota ku ni vuyisa. So that was that fear. And then na kokwana wa mina nkule na kokwana na oledi kokwana va nga azamba and they never understand what is it that I was doing. Ava nga twisisi.
Ava nga twisisi.
Not ku ra va nga swi lavi. Not ku ra va nga swi lavi. But you vona
va nga thembi ukuthi
no ukuthi
uyenza something that it can make a living.
Yes, ukuthi uyenza isketch. Beva ngazi ukuthi oledi beling support just ukuthi lingithemba ukuthi uye holweni uyenza isketch ngamtha uyoziqhuba isikhathi mntwanami angagcwala gcwala elokushini. Nami phela mangena ngenza acting. To be honest with you, it was like I'm doing something.
This is card.
I never thought
it will be a career.
Yeah, never in the middle. I wanted to become a lawyer or a teacher.
Oh.
Yes.
Oh, you wanted to become a lawyer or a teacher?
I was good in history.
Oh, yeah. No, I know a lot of actors are good in history. General Sakhi. Yeah, he is ngathi
shy essay.
Ngena kula class laba TT. Ukuthi ngabo A nabo B group. Thina ithama D. Yilezi esokolisayo.
Ne mara besimemora hey.
Mara iyo icategory a producer ama icon le. Ama historian. Nami I was a historian, abo accountants. Angidlaleli lapha abo mathematics. Mara ngaya kungirophe ngenyuku
self-taught.
Ngikhumbula ngathola 0 ku accountants ngenza form 1. We were excited to be at high school, yabo. Akithi bathi bese kwa school segcoka amabhuku amade. Siyaqala siyangawuza sibeka ama 20 consolate la sesifuna ukubonisa nabumeni ukuthi no, phela manje sengihold man, never fail. Mara never fail primary. Ngumntana kaBaloyi. You relate with Principal Baloyi? Yeah, you do look like him.
Ithama la karibala.
Yeah, bekasitshela ukuthi mina ngumshangani mina bafana bami. Bekashaya blind, he was famous. Very strict. But sonke siphuma lapha we are great today. I talk about him all the time.
Discipline, it was discipline.
Yeah, discipline. Very disciplined. And thina besibona ngathi siya abuse.
Ngikumakhani sibona manje ukuthi
he was a hero.
Nakona no ibashama bekungasile irafa.
Bakakushaya ukuthi bakubulala, bakushaya ukufundisa.
Ukubaqondisa yabona.
So how do you prepare character? Mawuthola ispan.
Mina actually character angiprepare mangithola ispan. Acting is in my blood. All the times when I move, it's there.
Dynamics wakho.
That's why sometimes ngithola ngikhuluma nokuzikhulumele ngiwa. That's why mina boring ngiwa. I can entertain myself. I can motivate myself. Everything. So mangithola character like now, mangibona ma camera automatically. Something. Change. So I'm always prepared and ready.
In future, ufuna ukuspana nabo bani? Ungakaze waspana nabo.
Well, anyone who's
uzohlangana naye esikhaleni.
Engizohlangana naye esikhaleni.
Umsebenzi.
Umsebenzi. Kuyiwa anginike into engiyithanda but bakhona laba abanye yazi ukuthi laba bayangazi. Yazi kunabanye ama producers ukuthi hayi lo yangazi ukuthi hayi nathi ngimnike le. Ayishaye.
And most of the time ngibona abakethisa ngebhiya most of the time. Where does that come from? Why uhlala ubhuzukile?
Maybe it's the character le
abayidesignile
ebayifuna la. And but now I so wish ukuthi kube nomunye uzechange as like
yiphi character ongafisa ukuyidlala ungakaze wayidlala?
Yabona i-character engafisa ukuyidlala mfana semzini. Ila uThenswe Hembu. As abantu kaningi. They see that smile. Good kube
bakasta ku comedy kakhulu ne?
And this niche human but now ngisafisa le character ene angazi. And I can master it ngisafuna le character le ala uthi bathi nje ukuthi mabambona umuntu bathi lo uyasidina lo awuthi ukuthi mayingena la ithathele umntwana omncane vuli oven ishisayo ithi yazini nginika imali or ngiyayilahlela lengane usathi hey ngilahlele lengane like oven.
Have you ever been in a space whereby they give you a character that you don't like, or maybe bakujolise nechelo ngayithandi, so amongst the cast ukuthi kunale ufisa ukuthi why bangangikhethela ngalo?
Njengokuthi manje
and professionally, how do you overcome that situation?
Actually, when I been given a character, once you give it, I own it. I own it, and when I own it, it's okay. This I'm going to Can you please follow that now as a director? And then we move. So I just entertain myself and say, no mangibona ukuthi uma ngathi uyazi nokuthola lezi sokholisa. Take le ungathi start too much. Now we have to play together. What I will do, that's an experience again. As ngizowenza ngizogama oriyama. Ngikubehlise. Ngugaya lo chance ukuthi yazi.
Ugaya room ya.
Uyingwenya.
Angibhalele character leyo bakubhalele.
Angikho ngifuna lokungwenya. Ngizogaya bona after that ngidasi singene la. Masingena la. Mawungabuthathanga lobungwenya wakho ubushiye le ngizokudonsa uzogijima ngamadolo.
Okay, waba character defensive. To be character defensive, it's whereby, let's say, character yakho ebhali. Mina bangibhali clever. Bese babhali ukuthi mele ngithi ungazongijwayela kabi. Bese wena uthi no ungazongispitela mathumbe abakubhalelanga kanjalo bakubhalele ukuthi kumele uthobele umthetho. Uke wafika isituation enjalo uma performance.
There is this character I've once played with Roni, ne? Place called home.
Place called home, ngiyayibona.
Uroni la Sylvester
Sylvester. Wawuthini award.
Bekuyini clever nami blues. Nami clever. Mara lo clever ogwajayo uSylvester.
Ogwajayo uSylvester.
Hayi sasidlala kamnandi. Hayi ngayigijima ukuthi nala bekana ukuthi atfuthe. Nami ubheke kusho ukuthi yazini. Ngiyakubonisa nami ukuthi yazini utfuthe kodwa angikusabi mara ngiyakusabi ukuthi ngikhiphe. So that it was ngimnika with a reaction. Understand ukuthi okay. Noma sempila now mawuthi uthini ngithi hayi
oke wasipana nabantu abamadiva ama superstar thola ukuthi kumele nifunde before you actor esedini kumele kushawe dry run and uthi akafuni yena
well kaningi
behavior sophisticated
well kaningi you meet those kind of people. You meet them. But now like some of us were experiencing this thing. So esingisho ngithi okay ngiyakubona ukuthi we staring lento ngicela ukwenza. Asifunda amongafundi sha. But I won't have an attitude towards him. Zofika ngibulise mina ngifundile.
Already.
Ngiredi and mina sengikujumpile ukuthi lo dlala istyle esiso. So if wena ungafuni ukufunda nami uzoba nenkingi. Because mina mangene ecamereni. I'll change. And I'll never outcast it. Ngizokunika energy. But wena ngoba awufundanga energy yakho so next time uzoreada na. And then siyenze that thing ukuthi na it's about giving the audience, not about the diva or whatever. So umuntu uyamletha kahle and then bese niyadlala. But that it need you to have that kind of approach. Mina like it because that approach ngikhule ngayo yazi ukubhayisa. Kumele ubhayisele umuntu into. Into enali ivati. Nomuntu angalifuni ivati. Kumele umconvince. Azalibhayi ivati. Every day mina ngena la ngibhayisa ivati. Ngitrotloke nosasendana izolo. Kumele ngiconvince ngani sometimes ngismile sometimes the way nikokota koko njani enawo utele ngikhuta kamnandi. Noma bongafuni ukubhaza ubhayi. So noma ngihlangane na those kind of people I know how to treat them so that babuye senze into ephilayo.
Overcome kanjani lama fan lawa misbehavior. Maybe they call you by the names of the character. Maybe a character could be slim lapana ne matabu skata marukhana. Bese na as hambela when in real life extracting. Then they call you with those names.
You know the names. I don't have a problem.
Yeah.
If you call me like hey Tutuma.
Yeah.
Which means I've done it.
Yeah.
It's no problem. But the problem, like yesterday, I was in the shop, right?
Yeah.
Calling you out to me.
Yeah.
Hey, Tutum! Teacher? No, you don't do that. Mubabu moves.
Yeah.
Yeah. Sharp. So those kind of abantu abenza izinto abantu abadala sometimes and uba ngathi arrogant and we're not arrogant. Awuqabanga serious eShoprite umuntu yakho hey Tutsuma come on. I mean Maurenji, I mean serious. So mina ngenzani ngivela kula mungu ngibheka ngithi hayi ngubulali ngithi iphutha please don't do that.
Behave.
Yeah, behave. Abanye abana
good manner of approach.
Yeah, abanye thola ukuthi besikafuna ukuphikisa. Ngeke ngathiwa nomunye uchizo so. Mntwana futhi ngithi uchizo. Angazi uthena ukukhuluma le ndaba deep city what eringo ukhuluma uyarasa yahleka yabo. Ngize ngithi nana no man.
Akwenziwa.
Ngabona ukuthi isando. Ngathi ngiphume kuye because manje labantwana abanganama manners.
Akakhuliswanga kahle akafundiswa.
Yeah, ngathi akafundisanga kahle. Angivela ngenzeni? Ngivela ngiphume ku. To call me with the character name mina nginankinga.
Yeah.
And to greet me anginankinga. But I'm a human being, don't shout at me.
Okay, waba ku situation whereby uza somebody ucela isithombe.
Yeah.
And you are not in the good mood for the picture that day. And then you deny the friend to take a picture. Then after bese uyasola ukuthi mara ngabe ngisithathile lesithombe.
Awelithombe mina to be honest with you asiyeni ngikushuda. But manje into as abantu banokuthi umunye akaqeli.
Uyademand.
Akademand futhi. Futhi uhlangana naye kubona. Avela akacelanga kenzanga anything. Vela shoot ahle le ngithi man please man. But well the audience amafeni wethu mina sengifike kuleso stage sokuthi if I have to channel you.
Yeah.
Ngizokuchannel that's why abanye ngikubatshela ngithi that's why sometimes nikwada nithi sineyithuba. No abona sengithini ngisemphendulela nabanye abanjengawe ngabesibani ba ngithi the way sometimes this approach I futhi mawudlala lento ngathi ziyahlekisa but mina semjwayela abanye ngiyabalungisa sihleke bafaka endleleni mangibona ngathi hayi lokhu engane lokhu ungathi akunama manners ngivela ngithi
and then I pressure we overcome kanjani if you are a television personality, an actor or an actress or a musician or a star, people expect you to be rich. And then told by then, you are not rich. You are just a normal human being. We are far on Munto 7 of Gaya Hispani. Bese, Gunabantu told by Kuluma Makana. Ay, vele bayahlupheka kana moto kumele ngabe uhlale Rosebank. How do you overcome those pressures? Because I know they happen to all of us.
Yes, it happens.
People have expertise when they see us.
But my Orivana, you know where we come from.
Yeah.
So in life you don't need to put yourself under pressure.
Yeah.
Take life the way it is.
Yeah.
And then that's why I'm ngitshela abantu ngithi no. Mina nawe we are the same. It's just that mina I'm on TV.
Yeah.
But so there's no different. Abantu yibo again sometimes it's not about the people. It's about nathi I'm an artist. Sinokuzifakela ipressure. Uthola umuntu ngoba sengiphume TV ka 1 ka 2. Hey man, nani movement I'm say change and everything. Okay, angani movement may change. sengiyahamba nami sengizibizela ezinye izinto siyazi ngithatha ilife yami igama lami nali but isikhwama sami nasi so mina ngifuna uku-acta ngathi isikhwama sami silingana negama lami so ngiziphutha into pressure but kungcono wena uzitshela ukuthi yazi let me try to be just a normal person so that angina pressure serious angina pressure ngiphila nje noma wena ungithatha but not to say ukuthi I don't respect, I respect, I value myself but manje mele nami ngibe phansi ngicele nakuNkulunkulu ukuthi uNkulunkulu please sikwemishini mfuna kuri ningabi nakudukukumusha yabona
we-talk
yeah sikayikukumusa mogara batho so those things you ask those things from God could let me and then life yakho iba easy you understand noma sometimes ungadlanga nobody sees
awubhalwanga
I mean
wena udle ikota or udle inandosi awuvuka ubhaliwe
yazi baphinda abanye awanga labantu laba sibadlalela shem amafeni wethu bayasithanda sometimes banokusha abanye bathi yazi wena uziphilela kamnandi bathi hayi awuziphilela kamnandi yazi awuzithatheli le okay sharp I respect myself but nawe siyafana angithi mara mina ngiyazaza ngithi yes
yazi as artist umuntu uthola ispan kayi-1 ku-generation uhlala e-4 ulanda nemoto yesikoloto sekafuna ukubhlola ima-news cafe shaba amabhodlela bese sithi reshuffle ekhaya bekangalungisanga nokulungisa ekhaya uvela ahamba imidrand mara efulisa ayohlala laphana so what can be your advice based on your experience to the upcoming artists or superstars or the recent ones who are suffering that pressure?
What may I say through my personal experience and my advice, and that's what I'm telling most of this up and coming and some of our generations. You need to learn and understand who you are. Who you are. What is it that you want? And what is it that can make you happy? And also think, if you can think for other people. I want to look for when I to be well. So if at all, namhlanje nangu na 3 months, what if iphela? And you must also ube nama role model. Thina asina ama role model. Kaningi uthole ngithatha role model yami ngiyenza uDenzel Washington. Why role model yami ungabi uma Orange? Okay. Why role model yami ungabi uPeter Mashiro? Ungabi uKenneth Nkosi, ungabi uSimpomlepo siba okay ngiyabonga ukuthi le awuthimara ektara usidlalele township wazilungisela idladla lakhe wahlala safika isikhathi wasuka wayimalboro which means uthemba usuka la ubonile ukuthi you will never come back again and you have thought ukuthi no I've got my family so if mina ngizohlala ngilongiyalena le ifamily yami kuyenzakalani ngabantwana bami kuyenzakalani ngomfazi wami so you must also think about those things and don't put yourself kule pressure ngithi plus uyazi masisithethe ohlangana nami wena uyaqala ukuthethe mina nginento zami mangiceda siya lapha kubuma nescafe mina sengiqedile wena wakayenzi next so mina noma ngingadli Tristina la sengigrade
that's profound kusho ukuthi ungena manje mara sofuna ukuphila istatus sami sofuna ukuzicompare nami nemina sengikhereze kakhulu life
and you know angithi yazi masisishuta lapha and there's another thing which upcoming artists must also know we are there to work together that doesn't mean ukuthi we become friends mayiphela lento le umyali wena usale nani well and next time sizothi i-art ayibhatali iyahafa i-art ma-ori iyahafa sometimes nokuyenza bomamitha mitha nini omunye ngaba yincane but okay ngingayenza maybe for 12 months ngashaya imeter something so shokuthi angeke wenze something ngaleyo mali
obviously wenza something.
So if at all wena and uyayazi masengena kakhulu yakudawa masekudawa lo uyayidla ebese after 2 seasons bathi ishow iphelile mebakutshela kusele 4 months ukuthi ishow iyaphela yila sewufuna ukubhanka ubhankani
isikhathi sesishaye
ubhankani.
So future plans
future plans mfana semzini ukuthi nje uNkulunkulu angibeke ne life i-right liningababziki and then nihanya nanye labana bamina lama South Africans inkwabo labalandelaku xin'wana na xin'wana lexi taku xi tisaku hi Xikwembu ni ta xi amukela vutomi byi ya mahlweni.
Abantwana bakho bafiselani?
Abantwana bami actually bonke abantwana balaphikasi ngoba each and every kid is my kid. Ukuthi they must learn where they come from. Ukuthi abobani babuya kuphi. Okay, sharp, we modernize things, but please let us not jump into modern life and not learning about the background, the culture, where we come from. So I'll say to our kids, the future is in their hands, and then more especially abantu gule age ekithi thina siphethe history ngathi sinala treasure because siphile nabantu abaphile from boma 40 something abogogo thina siphile na saphila nama time aboma 40 50 so I understand ukuthi siphethe everything so they must learn to ask from us nathi sibaguide because my problem now, my worry is sikijimela kusingamla too much. That's why at the end of the day, ingosi zethu ziyachayisana. They don't know because they don't know where they come from. They end up now bahamba lena le babuza ukuthi ngenzi. And sometimes you ask a wrong person. Kanti you should have asked ekhaya and learn. Let us learn where we come from.
Mawkhula Foga Baba. Have you ever been involved in crime?
Well, I'll say, growing up, sometimes you become involved in some petty crimes, but not aware that you are committing crime. But masohleli ukuthi la ngisindile mina because most of my friends laba ngikhule nabo bayibabanjwa babhantita abanye batutshulwa but like mina bengisithola sengisindile mongathi kwenzakala into eqabanga ukuthi yabona ulidi lami bihlupheka nami ulidi lami belingibonisa everyday ukuthi your future is in your hands. So if ungayenza whatever uzobe ukuthi uzibulele ungibulele. Because my mother was going all out, even my late father, Gaspani Karashi. They were giving me that thing, Yoguti. We are looking good so that you could take us good situations good. So whatever, nami beyenzakala namachi. And again, mina bengila, amachi da bebangtanga. But manje mangqama esa. Mina noma orange. If uma orange zingamudla uzothola ibhora mina ibuzingangidla ilento eyangenza ukuthi ngize ngisabe nokuye urkati it's because bengihlali already every day yazi mina phela the mangibheka nolidi lami ngibheka ukuthi lo mama akaenjoyanga
yazi you said something which is profound ukhumbuzo antu amangitshela ukuthi crime is very expensive. That thing that we mention ukuthi siyahamba siyoganga mina ngizophuma ngoba kithi kunemali wena uzosala. Yabona ukuhlupheka it's great actually. It teaches you life. Bona ube ne self responsibility umncane ubonile ukuthi no angeke uzikhombere nomntana ase next door kubo banemali uzobhora bazamise enyangeni atole wena uzoswinga. So for baba asibonge
Yeah.
Asibonge impilo isibalo siphusha manje uphushani manje.
Akwamanje ngibhizi ne-RFA.
Yeah.
Yeah, ile insurance company.
Oh.
So ama-activations.
Yeah, outreach programs.
Yeah, and yazi la kule industry.
Yeah.
Khwaya lana, but nakhona thanks God because things are there. Yabona there's something in life if you are supposed to be there and respect that thing, there will be a way. So as ngisho ngithi it's like le na le angeke manje ngithi specifically, but ivila liyahamba, kuyadliwa endlini, kuyenzakalani, ilife yaphila, already lisaphila, umadala uyosishile, yani already emfowethu yabona lo muntu ngikhulisile ngenye indlela, isabe ngimlalela, bengimlalela ngimbona kusho ukuthi ukuhlupheka kwakhe bekungishaya inhliziyo. My dream was always ukuthi yazi kumele ngilikhiphe olilami emkhukhwini. That was my dream. And thanks I achieve, and ithi mangi achieve ngabona ukuthi hayi man, if ngikwazile ukukhipha lo mama emkhukhwini ngemakhela isitini, which means nami ngingazakhela isitini. So that thing it shows you ukuthi if you think for another person, now God will bless you. So that's what I'm asking to this new generation. Please give us chance, listen to us as our parents, as your parents, because labantwana banokuthini, hayi thina abazali bethu abasicabangeli bona, they don't think for us ukuthi nathi sine stress ukuthi bakhule babe badlule the way thina besingakho. Understand kuri mele seriously ukuma abantu botala bana stress ukuma munhu le kurileni bana bayana ri bana bambina abantu bulaburisi yini thina mina ngikhule ngibona ukuhlupheka kwabazali bami. That's why it was easy ukuthi abazali bami bangikhuze ngibe yilento, but abantwana balamalanga abanye, not all of them, bona bafuna ukuthi abazali babaqabangela, but bona they don't think. And it's made stress because now we could see the future forward ukuthi isa akekho umzali ufisa ukuthi incusi yakhe ihlupheke, yabona. So into enjalo asizane.
Mfowethu
nabonga khale ni kareni lava kutala ka ma-orange. That's why ni ze ni ta kokota ni fika hi nkarhi, bafowethu ngizeni hi nkani la.
Siyabonga Mr. Baloyi sibonge esikhulu ngelesi sase-Alexandra ngiyasazi. Kokwani ngathi ngiyamazi futhi.
Kokwani ni Richard Hayidiya kuri manje ni uma ka papa senyaka kokwani.
Mara uNkulunkulu ukubusisile, asibonge siyabonga umusa wakho ukuthi uvakashe la ekhaya, sithi masithi siyaku-invite uvume. Into enhle leyo. Asibonge, siqhubele ngempilo mfoka baba, senze umsebenzi omuhle. God bless.